Hey guys, this is Stellar and today we are solving the second question of weekly contest 465. And the question name is balanced k-factor decomposition. Let's read the problem. So we have given two integers n and k. We have to split the number n into exactly k positive integers such that the product of this integer is equal to n. Okay. Return any one split in which the maximum difference between any two numbers is minimized. You may return the result in any order. So we have given this test case. Let's try to understand what is given to us. So we have been given n equal to 100 and k equal to 2. Now what we need to do, we need to divide this 100 into splits. Okay. So maybe a split can be this. So what I need to make sure is the product of this split. So 100 into 1, it's 100, right? The product should be equal to this number only, and the number of a split count will be equal to 2. So the next split maybe I can take like this 50 comma 2. Next split I think I can take something like this 25 comma 4, which is also equal to 100. And next split I think I can take like this also. So like this we can have lot of splits. Among all of these splits we need to check the maximum difference of this maximum difference among this array. So what is the max element, like maximum possible difference in this? So maximum possible difference is I think 100 minus 1 is, which is 99. Here it would be 48, here it would be 21, here it would be 0. So maximum difference is basically we need to take the maximum element and minimum element and need to take the difference of both of them. Why? Because we need to we have given instructions there. Return any one split in which the maximum difference between any two number is minimized. So maximum difference between any two number, how we will find? So we will not check brute force manner ke we'll check for each element, we'll check each other element which difference is maximum. No, we will be little clever. What we'll doing, we'll be taking the maximum element and the minimum element, we'll be taking their difference and we'll be checking what is the difference. So let's say for just for an example, if we have some number like this 11, 4 and 1, if we have some split like this for example, so what we'll be doing, we'll be checking 4 and 1. No, we will not be checking because we know this will not give us maximum difference of this array. Maximum difference will be given by the max element minus min element. So 11 minus 1, so max difference is 10 here. So this is what basically we'll be doing. We'll be taking the max element of array, minimum element of array, and we'll be taking the difference. So among all of these answers, what is the minimum possible answer? I think this 0 is the minimum possible answer. So my answer will be 10 comma 10. I need to return the exact array. So this way my answer will be 10 comma 10, and I can say that this will give me the minimum possible answer. Let's try run for this test case as well. 44 and 33. So n equal to 44 and k equal to 3. Okay. So how many, like what all possibilities I can have? I think one array can be like this, which is very easy to get. I think next array can be like maybe I can have 22 and 2 and 1. Yes, definitely I can have something like this. Next, I think I can have something like 11, 2 and 2. This also works, right? And what is the next possibility? 2, 2, 1, 4, 11. Okay, 1, 4, 11. Okay, I can have something like this as well. 11, 4 and 1. Do we have some other possibility? 1, 2, 22. Okay, okay, fine. So what is the difference, maximum difference? I think 43. Here we have 21. Here we have max minus min 9. Here max minus min is 10. So among all of this, which is giving us minimum possible answer? Minimum possible answer is given by this. So I can say 11, 2 and 2 will be my optimal split and this will be my answer. I can return this. Let's see. 11 to 2. So you can return any of the split. If let's say multiple splits giving you minimum possible answer, you can return any of them. There will be not there it will not be a problem. So what is the intuition to solve this problem? So we'll just give you some hints. Let me give you some hints what you can do. So the first hint that I can give you is, can you think in a brute force manner? Like if you have to solve it brutally, not optimally, so how you will be targeting this problem? What you can do. Next hint I can give you is basically, let's say if I tell you okay, you have 44 comma 3. Okay, you have n equal to 44, you need to divide it in three splits, three different splits. How you will target this thing? How you will divide this 44 into three splits? Can you think in a brute force manner? So like just to give you a little more hint, what you can do, you can start from I think 22. Okay, because that will be the minimum possible. If you have like 22 into 2, which will be 44, so you will at least try this one. 22 is like a maximum possible that we should start with. Or what you can do is basically, step by step try to decrease this one and tweak the next numbers, like whatever the split size is, try to split that. So I think we can use definitely a recursion plus backtracking in this. And backtracking, and what we'll be doing is we will be trying to go step by step. We'll be starting from n by 2. Okay, we will be starting from n by 2. We'll be going n by 2 minus 1, n by 2 minus 2, n by 2 minus 3 till 0, till okay 1, till 1. And we will try to calculate the subsequent numbers as well using recursion. Okay, and once we have reached the stage of k equal to 1, in that place we will be checking what, like we will be having this array. When k equal to 1, that means our array is already created. In that place, what we'll be doing, we'll be taking the max element and min element, we'll be taking their difference, and we'll be comparing with the global minimum. We'll maintain some global mini variable and a global array answer also. We'll be comparing if current split minimum is less than is this minimum, so we will update this mini and this answer. So I hope this intuition is clear. If you got this intuition, if you got some idea, please go and try to code this question by yourself and come up and see what is the correct solution. Now let's talk about the approach to solve this problem. So how I will be solving this problem. Let's say our n is given to us 44 and k is given to us 3. So I have to make three splits, right? I have to make three splits. So optimally, from which point I should start? From which point? One possible split I definitely know is, which is basically k44 and 1 and 1. This is I know one thing for sure, that, and that will not be my, like that will be a brute, like very worst case solution. I don't think we should return this solution. So what will be the starting point? Can I say that k, like from first part I will try to fix a number. 44 divided by 3, whatever floor division I will be getting. Let's say ki what is the answer? 44 divided by 3, 14 or something, right? So let's say my starting point is 14. I will fix 14 here, and brute forcely, I will try to calculate the remaining numbers. So remaining numbers, how many places are remaining? I think two places are remaining, right? So I will use the same approach. So how I'll be using? I will do something like 44 divided by 14. Can it divide? Can it divide? First of all, I will check. Can it divide properly? I think no, it's not divide. So I will skip to next number, 13. Can it divide? No. 12. Can it divide? No, it can't. Can 11 divide? Yes, 11 can divide. So what I will do, I will I will fix a 11 here. I will fix a 11 here. Now what is the remaining number? I think 44 divided by 11. So I think 4 is remaining, right? 4 is remaining. What I will be doing next thing? I will put n equal to 4. I will put k equal to 2 because two places are remaining now. I will call recursion for this, and recursion will take care of this thing. What I need to do? I need to focus on the current task for now, and recursion, like in recursion, I will be calling for this thing, and recursion will give me answer for this, right? So let's dial in for this. We will understand properly. So let's say n equal to 4. So now my n equal to 4. I will put a I will like what I will do, 4 divided by 2. I will put a 2 here. I will fix a 2 here. I will call for, okay, what is the remaining term? 4 by 2 is 2. So remaining term is 2. So I will call a recursion 2 comma 1. I hope you understand what we did. What we did here. So what I will fix here? N by k. n by k will be the term which I will be fixing here, and eventually I will not stick to this n by k. I will go from n by k to 0 for every recursion call. I will go from n by k till 0, or maybe you can say till 1 only. I will try to go from n by k to 1, and I will call recursion unless I am reaching at k equal to 1. Okay, at k equal to 1, our task is simple. I will just take the maximum and minimum, and I will take the difference, and I will calculate my answer. Okay, so I hope till now everything is clear. What I'll be doing, let me again tell you. Let's say if we have n equal to 44, k equal to 3, I will be fixing one element, and I will be trying to calculate subsequent numbers. What I'll be fixing? I will be fixing n by k here. N by k. What is n by k? I think 14 will be n by k. But can I put 14 here? No, I can't, because it is not able to divide 44. So this can never be my term in product. So what I'll be putting? I will putting 11, because that is the maximum possible answer which can divide 44. Now, what is my remaining call? I think function of, and what is n? I think 4 is the remaining, because 44 divided by 11 is 4. So 4 comma 2, can I say, because two places are remaining now. So for these two places, I will call function of 4 comma 2. This will give me something like, this will again call. So again my n by k will be like, and one place is remaining here. 4 by 2 is 2 here. Now I will call function of 2, because 4 by 2 is equal to 2 here, and one place is remaining, and as soon as I reach 1 na, I will almost get my answer. So at one place we fixed 11, another place we fixed 2, another place k equal to 1. So whatever this number, I can directly append it. Okay, this is my logic. Now as soon as we got a k equal to 1, we need to do two things. First of all, we append the n directly to the array, and we will try to calculate max of array minus minimum of array, and we'll be comparing with our mini answer. Okay, this is the whole approach. Let me try run for one more test case if we have some good test case. Okay, let me make one thing. Take n equal to 40 here and k equal to 3 here again. Okay, now what I'll be doing? So I'll be doing directly 40 by 3. What is 40 by 3? Let's calculate. 40 by 3 is 13. Okay, so I will be starting from n by k. N by k, comma, I need to fill two another places. Okay, okay, fine. So 40 by 3 is, I think, does 14 divide? No. Does 13 divide? No. Does 12 divide? No. 11 divide this 40? No. 10 divide this 40? Yes, 10 divides. So let me put 10 here. Superb. Now I have remaining two places to fill. So I will call function of 40 by 10. 40 by 10 is 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2. Again we reach the same thing, 4 comma 2. Okay, 4 comma 2 is this thing. And again, like similarly, now we don't stop here. We don't stop here. Now we fixed 10, we calculated this. Now this, like when it reached k equal to 1, it calculated its answer, and it's updated it the global mini. We will maintain global mini. It updated the global mini, right? Once global mini is updated, I will be trying 9 here. Does 9 divide 14? No. Does 8 divide 40? Yes, 8 divide 40. I will fix 8 here. I will again call function of 40 by 8 is 5. I need to make 5 with two variables. If it is possible, it will work. Otherwise, I will get some pair like this, 8 comma 5 comma 1. So what is the difference? I think 7 is the difference. In previous case, I think 10 and 2 comma 2 is a optimal pair. So I will get a 8 as a difference. Superb. Let's try more. Does 7 divide? No. Does 6 divide? No. Does 5 divide? Yes. 5 divides? Yes. So I will put a 5 here. Now, what is the remaining thing? I think function of 8 comma 2, right? So I will do something like this. Now I need to make 8 via 2. So what will be the optimal thing? I think 4 comma 2, right? 4 comma 2 will be the uh, optimal split for this 8 comma 2. So if I am having answer of 5 4 2, so I think 3 will be my answer. Let me check. Yes, yes, yes. 542 is one of the optimal approach. Optimal split. 542 is one of the optimal split. Another optimal split is 2 4, okay. There's 245 542 is the same thing. So this is one of the optimal approach which we can get. So what we'll be doing? I'm doing recursion first of all. I'm fixing one thing. I'm calling recursion. Then I'm backtracking. I'm reducing this term, trying to reduce this term, then again calling recursion. Then like recursion will take care of doing the same thing. Then I again backtracking, I'm reducing this term, I'm calling the function. Okay, so let me write pseudocode, then we will properly understand what I am saying. Okay, so we will define our first of all global mini variable. So in Python we do something like self.mini. We will start from infinite, and self.answer we will initialize an empty array. So now I will call like I will define a function here which will take three things. I think first thing it will take is the num n. Next thing it will take is k, and another next thing it will take is array, current array. Okay, so my array size, if you see now, my array size will be very small. K will be only 2 to 5. I don't need to worry about any time comma time limit exceeded or anything else. Now if k equal to 1, if k equal to 1, what I need to do, I need to append array dot append. I need to do this number. I will take max equal to max of array, whatever maximum element of array, minimum equal to minimum of array, because that will be the that will be the correct way to calculate the maximum difference. So maximum difference will be max minus mean, right? Max minus mean, right? And I will compare with the global meaning. This max diff, if this max diff is less than self dot meaning. So in Java we have this, right? This keyword. This is the same thing in self here. So if this is the case, I will update self dot answer equal to array, and self dot mini will be this max diff. Okay, superb. Now if k is not equal to 2, what I need to do? We know for I equal to, I will starting from n by k, right? I need to go uh, till till when I need to buy, I need to go till 1, and my difference term is each time I will do minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now what I need to do, I need to append this. I need to append the current element. That means I am fixing this. I am fixing this part. I am fixing the first element, right? So that means I am appending it. Super. Now, once this is done, I will call recursion. I will call recursion for the remaining part. Function of what is the remaining? I think n by I is the remaining. So let's say we had 40. If we selected 10, so 40 by 10. If our I equal to 10 here, so 40 by 10, 4 is the remaining. So we were calling for function of 4 comma 2, right? So that's what. And I will call for k minus 1, because this time k minus 1 is there, and I will pass array as well, because array will help me calculate my answer. Once this part is done, once this recursion is done, what I will be doing, I am doing array dot pop. Array dot pop means I am removing the last element. So whatever element that I have fixed this 8, right? So I will remove this. I will remove this. Next time I will try for 7. I will try for 6. I will try for 5. As soon as I got something which can divide 40, I will put that, and I will again call recursion. Okay. So that's what. I will pop it, and next time I will append the next element. So recursion will take care of the subsequent calls, and my life will be very sorted. In the last, I can just return answer, and I need to call function of n comma k comma empty array here. So if you write code, I hope like the whole pseudocode and approach and intuition is clear to you. Let's try to run. Let's try to see. So first of all, I will be maintaining some answer equal to like this. Self.mini equal to uh, infinite value. So what are these things? These are just global variables, right? Okay, super. Now function of n comma k comma array. If in case k equal to 1, what I will be doing? I will be appending the current element in the array. Super. After appending, what I need to do? I need to get the maximum. So maxi will be max of array. Mini will be minimum of array. Now max difference will be maxi minus mini. Superb. Oh, I by mistake submitted the question. Okay, so I need to check if self dot mini or maybe max diff is less than self dot mini. In case I got something better, so what I can definitely update, right? Self dot mini equal to max diff, and self dot answer will be the array, whatever array is present. Superb. Now if this is not case, so if this is the case, this is the base case, I will return it. Otherwise I will be starting from n by k. Definitely I will start from n by k. Till when I need to go? I need to go till 1. So I will put a 0 here, and difference term is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now I will fix one thing. I will fix the first variable up array dot append I. Super. Now what is the next thing? I will call recursion for function of n by I. Okay, I will call for this n by I term. What is it remaining? I think k minus 1 will be remaining. After this recursion is done, I will go to k equal to 1. My this thing is calculated, this thing is updated. After this, what is the next thing? I need to backtrack. So I will pop this thing. And similarly, it will call for again n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. I mean n by k minus 1, n by k minus 2, n minus 3. I have you got it. After this thing, we need to just call this function for actual variables, and I can return self dot answer. Let's try to check it. Okay, function. Okay, I need to pass array here. Okay, let's try to submit now. We are getting wrong answer. Okay, I am not popping. So like we need to do backtracking here as well. So once I have appended here, my answer is done, right? So I need to pop this thing. Like uh, my answer is done, and I need to take a list here. So I will make a copy. Otherwise it will use the same array. I will make a copy here. So this thing, if you write in Python, you need to worry about this thing. If you write in C++ or Java, you don't need to worry about this thing, list and this thing. Okay. So, and for Python people, they should know, okay, what I'm doing here. Now, what is the mistake that I did here? Okay, I forgot to add one important case. If n by k equal to n by I equal to 0. If it can divide only that, in that case I need to do this thing, right? Otherwise I can't do. So let's try to submit. Okay, it is working fine. I hope you got this. If you are good in recursion and backtracking, you will be able to understand this. If not, please make sure you try practicing some similar problems. So I hope this question, this intuition, and this question, this solution is clear to you now. Just in case you like the video and you understand the solution, please make sure you subscribe the channel, because that will be the very easy thing for you. But this thing takes lot of efforts for to me, and my throat is also getting dry. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and we'll meet in the next one.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.